Hi, I'm Prav there. Today we can going to create backlink on the zero suicide dot edc dot org website. So this is a very authoritative and the repetitive website. If you are getting backlink from the org website, so you know the quality of the backlink. So this is what backlink I have created recently, and if I can show you authority of this website. So according to Acharyaf, this website domain rating is 78, and according to Moj, this website domain authority is 63. And if I can show you this website traffic, so you can see according to similar web, this website having around 20.9k monthly visits, and mostly traffic from the USA, Bangladesh, Pakistan, India, and another country. So if you want to get traffic from these countries, and if you're looking to get the crawler, Google crawler, and any search engine crawler from this country, so definitely you can create your backlink on this website. So let's just start. So first, you can click on the create a new account button. This is located in top of the right corner, and you guys will need to fill all the information, so you guys will follow me. So here we can put our username, the ML training. Then after, you can put your password. So let me choose. Then after, you guys will choose your email address. So let's copy from there. Then you can resubmit your email address. Then you guys will put your name. So my name is Pravindra Yadav. Then after, you can choose your city, and you can choose your country. So I'm in India. Then after, you can choose your state. The state is not located here, not applicable. Then after, you can choose your organization name. So organization name is DML training. Then after, it is asking the organization code, so you can choose not applicable. Job title, so I can select anything from there. Then after, you can put your job title. So I'm a founder of this company, so founder. Then after, you can choose the working location, working setting. So primary care, crisis, substance, other places. Then after, you can choose the working setting if any. This is optional. Let me choose the I'm yeah, in office. Then after, you can verify the captcha. Once you guys will complete all the things, you can see there is a very small message, so you can acknowledge the terms and condition of this website. So you can check this box. After, you can click on the create my new account button. Okay, so you can see all sets here. So this site will send you the activation email, so you can click on the continue. Then after, you can check your Gmail. So yeah, I received the account a confirmation email. So you can click on the first link, and you see our account is successfully verified. Now after, you can click on the continue, and you can click on the your username, click on the profile. Then after, you can click on the edit profile button. So you can see all the information. You guys cannot do anything because after the site will suspend your profile. So we can go to fill only the website URL. So you can see, click on the optional button. Then after, you can see there is a web page button. There you can put your website URL. And after, once you guys will complete only the one small things, then after, you can click on the update profile button. So here it is, our profile is successfully updated. You can just simply copy the URL, this is your profile URL. Let's copy this, and I can show you in incognito. So this is a instant approved backlink or not. So you can see this is a profile, and if I can show you, so you can see there is a organization name, and if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see this is 100% a do follow backlink. Okay, so this is a very simple process. So creating account in this website, and if you guys will complete these things, so then after, what I can going to say, Yeah, okay. Thank you so much. If you guys are watching this video, watched this video till end, and if you guys are wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yaar, bye bye and take care.